Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Emma Nurliana. Here, I will explain about general process of strategic management learning to fulfill the strategy management course. Next, definition. Strategic management is a business discipline that helps organization plan, implement, and evaluate strategies to achieve long-term goals. The strategic management process is not just about making short decisions but also involves in-depth analysis, sound decision-making, effective implementation, and evaluation, referring to several opinions regarding the strategic management process, then selected strategic management process refers to goals and decision pattern decision and are usually clinical and then to repeat themselves. In other words, process strategic management will be contextual, dimensional, that is in line with characteristics of the organization that determines that strategies. Four basic elements of strategic management. 1. Environmental analysis, internal and external. 2. Strategy formulation. 3. Strategy implementation. 4. Evaluation and control. Explanation of the four elements. 1. Environmental analysis. The internal environment consists of variable, strength and weakness that exist within the organization itself, but usually not under its control short-term top management. This variable includes structure, culture, organizational, and resource. 2. Strategy formulation. Strategy formulation is the development of long-term plans for effectively managing environmental opportunities and threats according to analysis organizational strength and weakness. Strategy formulation include determining the organization mission, specifying achievable targets, development strategy, and establishing policy guidelines. 3. Strategy implementation. Strategy implementation is the process of translating strategies and policies into action through program development, budgets, and procedures implementation. This process includes change in culture, structure, and the overall management system in the organization. Unless there is complete and drastic change to organization are necessary, then middle management and lower manager typically implement strategy with analysis by top management. 4. Evaluation and control. Evaluation and control is a monitoring and assessment process tool. Organizational performance active compared with actual performance desired. Management in the level uses results information to make correction and solve problem. So, evaluation and control are the final main element of strategic management. This can also show weakness in previously implemented strategic plan, thereby stimulating the entire process to start again. Next, characteristic of strategic management. Strategic management always responds to dynamics of occurrence. Environmental change can thus have an effect on implementation and strive to realize the objectives has been set. The following are some characteristics of strategic management. 1. Strategic management is long-term. 2. Strategic management is dynamic. 3. Something that combines with operational management. 4. Strategic management is oriented and approaches the future. Next, strategy process. Technically, the management strategy process has several steps interrelated. That is, 1. Development of a strategic vision that directs and focuses on the future of the company organization. 2. Determine goals and objectives to measure progress achievement of the company's organizational strategic vision. 3. Formulate strategy of achieve organizational goals a company. 4. Implement the execute strategy effectively and efficient. 5. Assess performance and make corrective adjustment long-term organizational needs of the company both about direction, strategic objective, or approach in implementing the strategy. Strategic management function. Apart from the objective above, strategic management also has functions that are important to understand. These functions include 1. Carrying the company's vision and mission. 2. Helping companies identify markets and products. 3. Focus on brand and positioning activities. 4. Maintain business order. 5. Become a guide in planning and improvement activities. Next, benefits of strategic management. The benefits of implementing strategic management are as follows. 1. Provide an objective view regarding company management issues, suppress the impacts of change that could bring losses in the company. 2. Helps choose big decisions that are able to support previously established goals. 3. Design a framework for internal communication for each individual. 4. Provide a more cooperative, integrative, and enthusiastic approach in order to overcome problems and other opportunities. Next, strategic management objective. Strategic management has various goals that make it necessary to carry out. For more details, here are 7 strategy management objectives. 1. Provide long-term direction for the goals a company will achieve, helping companies to adapt. 2. Making company performance more effective and efficient. 3. Apply and evaluate great strategies and decisions for efficiently and effectively. 4. Develop new strategies that adapt developments the external environment. 5. Assess the process of reviewing strengths and weaknesses as well as looking opportunities and threats to the company's business. 6. Help innovation process in goods or services so that are always popular with consumers. Well, that's the only one I can explain. Much more, I apologize. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.